welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you replace on a GLA250, how you replace your daytime running light and high beam light on this GLA250. So to get to there, there's a panel, there's a cover here. Twist it counterclockwise and remove the cover. Set it aside. Reach in here, there's a light element. It's closer to the outside of the vehicle. Turn it over counterclockwise and then pull and remove the whole light element. Here's the light element. This is an H15 light element, light bulb. You've got two elements in here, one for the low beam and one's for the high beam, and then you've got the three prongs here, and these three prongs, and it's all one unit. So when you get a new one, then you would take it and put it back in. Do your best not to touch the element itself, because that can drastically reduce your life of your light bulb. I find it easy to look through the front, so where the light's supposed to come out, to see it, and then twist it clockwise to lock it into place. And note that those three electrical connectors that you've seen, they're on the top side, so they're straight vertical up and down. Alright, then you just put this cap back on, twist it clockwise until you hear the snap, and that's how you replace your daytime running light and high beam run light on your GLA250. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.